talk a little bit about electric power. So electric power is like any kind of power. It's the rate at which electrical energy is being converted into another type of energy. And any power is really the ratio or the rate of energy divided by time. So in the case of your light bulb that might have a wattage of 30 watts, 30 joules of electrical energy will be converted into light energy every second. Turns out that in terms of current and voltage, power is equal to IV. Now we can substitute in for V here using Ohm's law, and that will give us P equals I squared R. Or we could substitute in for I, which is V all over R, and get P equals V times V, or V squared all over R. So either of these are going to give us power, which is measured in joules per second or watt. So if we take our transmission line, where we found that the current was 8.29 e to the negative 5 amps, we can find the power. Now, the best formula to use, we know that the resistance is 3.5 e to the 9 ohms, and we know that the voltage is 290 e to the 3 volts. So the best one of those to use would be V squared all over R. But you certainly could use P equals IV if you find I first, which we did originally, and plug that in. But it would be better for you to use numbers that you know are right. So this would be 3.5 e to the 9 ohms squared divided by 290 e to the 3 volts. 3.5 exponent 9 squared divided by 290 exponent 3, which is going to give us 4.22 e to the 13, or a power of 42.2 e to the 12 watts. And e to the 12 could be replaced with gigawatts. The last thing I want to talk about power is your power bill. So your power bill, you are usually billed by kilowatt hours. Kilowatt hours is actually a unit of energy. So let me show you how that works. The general formula for power is energy all over time. And if I solve this for energy, energy is power times time. So in our standard units, that would be watts times seconds. And that would be the units, another unit for energy, which is a joule. But in our homes, we use thousands of watts over hours. So we get billed, maybe we get billed 18 cents per kilowatt hour. And that's how much energy we've actually used over hours, the whole month. So maybe we used 1,000 kilowatt hours. So that would be 0.18 cents times that, which would be 180 buckaroos.